Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engines. Today we're working on a Briggs and Stratton generator. It's a P3000 Power Smart series. Reason they brought it in, used it a couple years ago and forgot to drain the gas or gas additive in there, and they wanted to use it this last week and it wouldn't start. Well, they brought it here. I smelled the gas and the gas is nasty. Anyways, we're going to clean the tank, clean the carburetor, change oil and stuff, and get it going. So, hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's go ahead and take the side cover off. Okay, the carb's right up here. Air filter here. Here's the oil. Let's check the oil real quick here. Don't smell like there's no gas in there, but it's kind of dirty. So we start sucking the oil out of there. Well, we take a look at the carburetor. And we gotta use 1030. I'll grab some oil here. Grab a little funnel so we don't make too big a mess here. Thing takes 20 ounces. It looks like I got 16 in there, and it's a little bit low. Let's go ahead and check the spark plug here real quick too. It takes a NGK BPR6CS. I think it's burning pretty good. Go find a plug for this real quick. We're gapping about, look at the chart here real quick, between 28 and 30 thousandths. Push down until it clicks. Okay, let's get over that carburetor now. They're not bad, a little dust on, I'll blow them off real quick. And we need a 10 millimeter. I'm gonna take that bolt out there, that's 8 millimeter. So we got a vent tube on top we have to take off. We got another air vent line over here. There we go. Get a bucket and let that old gas drain out. Awful yellow color. Oh, that's done draining. We'll come back. I'm gonna blow out the gas tank and we'll tear this carburetor apart, see what it looks like inside. Okay, gotta be careful with this because this has that automatic governor control on it. So I don't want to screw around with them wires on there. Just want to check this bowl out. And that's just nice and clean in there. Clean out that main jet. I think the gas is so old, it has no octane left in it. They must have some kind of additive in the gas because it don't have that musty gas smell. It just smells old. Just smells old. I gotta work this vent line back in here. Put a little lube on that so it slides in that hole. That might be a little bit harder than it looks. Should have gave us like another inch or two of slack on that hose. There we go. See. On these foam filters, I blew them out real good. I like using this K&N filter oil. Just put a nice little coat on there. Okay, spray that oil on there. And just work it in there. Alright. Well, let's put some fuel in this thing. It might take a little bit to start to get the fuel from the tank to the carburetor. We're going to use premium, no ethanol. I'm not putting this cover on until it starts. One line goes on top of the choke, I believe. I think the choke is on there. Well, that sounds really nice. Just make sure there's no leaks by the carburetor or anything. Go find a power tool to plug into there. Our fuel shutoff is leaking. Well, that's not good. Everything else works on it though. Let me get that checked out here. I don't know if I accidentally pulled the line or what, but can't let that go out of the shop leaking gas like that. Kind of part of the base. But yeah, everything works good except for that. The fuel pump is leaking. This right here, and the screws are on this side here. But yeah, that fuel pump is leaking. So I gotta find a way to take this cover off without ruining anything. Okay, there's a fuel pump there. That's what's leaking. We got the screws out to it, but I gotta slide the clamps around so I can get a good bite on them to take the hoses off. One thing about these compact generators, it's hard for people like me with big old hands, but I think we'll get it. That's what's leaking. Put a fuel shutoff on that line so all the gas don't leak out. Okay, now I gotta hook this up to that so there's some more gas spillage. Okay, I get the screws back in there. There. Holy cow. Alright, turn the gas back on. It's not leaking, so that's good. So now I gotta put all the covering back on. So let me get this covering back on and we'll be right back. Okay, got it back together again. Turn the gas on. Put the choke on. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. You guys have a good afternoon.